What's PayPal replaced with? And someone else asked, if you don't use PayPal, how do you get paid?
Good questions. I should have said this. So eBay has what they call managed payments. And now instead of PayPal, eBay wants your checking account number. And I give it to them. I wouldn't hesitate to give it to them. eBay has a lot to lose not to be secure with this. Anything can happen on any platform, I realize. But PayPal has your bank account information because you're transferring your PayPal funds back and forth to your bank. Give eBay, whenever they ask for it, you let eBay have it. Here's what eBay does every night, 5 nights a week. They put yesterday's sales into my bank account, 5 nights a week. Monday night, I get Friday's sales. Tuesday night, I get Monday's income, and so on. All of my income goes straight to my bank every single day. Take that, Amazon. The number one biggest selling tip is to join Ryan's group, Treasure Hunting Profits. You can sign up for 1 month and you're going to learn how to source, and you're going to learn how to source things that no one else looks for real fast in this group. Watch the video that is embedded in this link. If you just watch this video and never sign up, you are going to learn on how to find things, how to source things that are money makers. And we don't like 33% ROIs in this group. Our group, we pretty much spend pennies to make $5 and $10 bills. This is the most advanced eBay group ever. That includes all reselling eBay groups. There's more actionable money-making content on how to source and how to sell than any other group on the planet. That's the value that you're getting.